You my baby, let me know. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look at this dude, he's got his seat like all the way down. He's got tires smaller than his penis. That's big. Oh yeah! All right, here we go, ready? Matt's gonna hit a wheelie. Not really. Oh, there, I was gonna wheelie, Matt. We're about to experience a big hill up ahead. We'll see how Matt does on it. I think he can do it. I know, I'm ready for this big hill. How about you? Nope. Woo! All right, go slow down this hill, Matt. Use your back brakes only. Get your feet on the pedals, Matt. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh. So grown up.
I am.
So proud of him. That's not budging. Alright, Ethan, this is your helmet since you forgot to bring one. So me and Ethan just warmed up, but now we're just waiting for Nate. Drop down low gear, bud. Whoa! Alright, we're about to bike up a big pavement hill, then we're going all downhill on that single track. You ready to go?
No.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah. Whoop-de-doo! A little harder, right? You go first. You go first. Let's go. Go slow down this hill. I sure did, buddy. He banged a rock on his back wheel. He flew 3 feet off his seat. His legs were like that.
You got butt rock.
How was that?